Have you ever dreamt of making your own game? It's like having a whole world in your pocket, ready for adventures. And guess what? You can do it right on your mobile phone. Think of your favorite game. What makes it fun? Is it the jumping, the puzzles, or the story? Now imagine creating your own version, with your own rules and characters. It might seem like magic, but it's simpler than you think. With some cool tools and a little bit of learning, you can become a game creator. Get ready to unleash your creativity and dive into the world of mobile game development. Just like a carpenter needs tools to build a house, you need tools to build your game. Don't worry, they're not hammers and nails. We'll be using apps called game engines and graphic editors. Think of a game engine like a car engine. It does the heavy lifting, making sure everything runs smoothly. Popular game engines for mobile are BuildBox and GDevelop. They're easy to use, even for beginners. Now, for the looks. Graphic editors help you create characters, backgrounds, and all the cool visuals for your game. Think of apps like Canva or Adobe SparkPost. They have ready-made templates and easy-to-use tools. Now let's add some magic to our game with coding. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Coding is simply giving instructions to your phone in a language it understands. For games, we use a language called block-based programming. It's like connecting puzzle pieces. You drag and drop blocks of code to tell your characters how to move, jump, or interact with the game world. For example, you can use a block that says, when the player taps the screen, make the character jump. Simple, right? These blocks are your building blocks for creating fun and interactive games. Let's put it all together and build our game step by step. Don't worry, we'll take it slow. Step 1. The idea. Every great game starts with an idea. What kind of game do you want to make? A runner, a puzzle, or something totally unique? Step 2. The design. Time to draw. Sketch your characters, backgrounds, and anything else you want in your game. This will help you visualize your game world. Step 3. Building the game. Open your game engine and start creating. Add your characters and backgrounds and use code blocks to make them come alive. Step 4. Testing, testing, testing. Play your game and see how it feels. Are the controls smooth? Is it challenging but fun? Make changes as needed. Starting something new can be a little scary, but don't worry. Here are some tips to make your game development journey easier. Tip 1. Start small. Don't try to build the biggest game ever on your first try. Begin with a simple idea and add more features as you learn. Tip 2. Learn by doing. The best way to learn is by doing. Experiment with different game engines, code blocks, and graphic design tools. Tip 3. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of online resources and communities for game developers. Don't hesitate to ask questions and get help when you need it. So there you have it. You've got the tools, the basics of coding, and some helpful tips. Now, it's your turn to unleash your creativity and build your dream game. Remember, game development is all about having fun and learning along the way. So go ahead, experiment, and see what amazing things you can create. The world of mobile gaming awaits.